to the mini-so of the mini-so nail art of these mystery Bubba boxes. That's right, that's right. And of course, I picked these two and thought these were really good ones to have because I love my flowers. Yes, I do. This little cutesy one. And the one I want the most is that little cute one right there because I like the blackness of them. Would be nice. There's some mystery one in the, I don't know, the head looks round. Not sure what character that is. But any of these really would be interesting. I just might not want the blue one, but really and truly it doesn't matter. But the yellow one's kind of fun because even the character's yellow in a yellow car. But as always, I might want to, well, I want to stick with maybe Hello Kitty because it's red or Miniso because of the purple vibe. So let's open up this bad boy first. I'm going to open the car one first and then we'll open the little flower one first. So let's see what we get here as we open it. Has a nice pull tab on it. Get this up. Like usual, those usually come off like that. Okay. I have my top two picks, but any of them would be nice, so it really doesn't matter. As you know, I've done some blind boxes where I got one. It's like, I got that one, really? The only one I didn't want? Nope, I think I got one of the, oh, I got one that I thought would be fun to get. The one in all yellow. Ooh, the quality of this is nice. Nice metal car. Ooh, this is really nice. I love my cars, so this is very good. You can even roll it. It has wheels. Woo! Now we officially get to the nails with some nice yellow. Yes, I decided to do the yellow as the base and do the other little mini-so character, her, as the accent. As I do 3 coats of the colors, especially this yellow of it all. And now ready to actually do the nail art of it all. And I'm doing some flowers because you know the mini-so, her the little purple flower, and I'm using the purple to go on top of the yellow for a couple of the nails because I thought that just gave it that little something to bring the flower part of it to life. Now I'm doing those stripes you see in the car. Yep. So I'm doing it as one of the middle nails, and I decided to use this white sparkly hollow taco polish. So that's what I'm using to make these stripes. They were a little hard. I think it might be the brush I'm using is a little cheap, tiny. Maybe I should use a better brush and it would have done a lot better because this one, the lines could have been better than they are, I got to say. But I did my best and they came out pretty nicely. If I do so, as I went back, let it dry a little bit, give it a little bit, tap, so parts of it maybe would go thicker. So now I'm doing the other nail with that character, the one with that was with the flower. And I decided to do the top of the nail, kind of have her ears. I don't know what that is. It might be a hat I think she's wearing. So I'm kind of holding that in. Then the problem is I did decide to use my black polish, that sheer. So maybe that was slightly a mistake, but I eventually, as you see here, getting it nice and opaque as best I could. I should have used a different black, which I think I might have. I'm not sure, but it came out pretty good. Now I'm just doing the face. It's going to look a more generic face. I don't think it's going to look that much like her fully, but I did my best as one of her eyes are closed, and the other one is open with the eyelashes. So that's what I'm doing. And now I'm just kind of giving a little bit, kind of trying to fill in little areas, as you can see, that are a little too thin on the top part to be her hat, ear thing, whatever that is, because I don't really know the full stories or anything of these characters fully. I just like them. Now, of course, I'm going back to the eyes to make them, and now here are the eyelashes that the character has. So that's what we're doing. I decided this one to be the character that I chose out of the two, and now the mouth of it, as you can see. And right here, I'm just putting a little purple. There's supposed to be a skull there, but I thought I'd just put the little emphasis of something being there on the top. Now it's time to just hold it on with a nice glossy taco. Yep, hollow taco of it all. Not hollow taco, but you know, that's all. Well, there we go. My outfit is complete. Matching my nails. Oh, yes. Yes, I did purple very recently, but I'm now doing with this like kind of dress purple plaid, and I found this really nice striped shirt that's yellow and white stripes, And that's actually very, very fitting. Remember the little car? And I did add a little belt to give it a little scrunch, as it does have belt loops. I thought, why not? It might have come with a belt to begin with, maybe when someone first bought it brand new. But as you can see, there's the stripes, and there's the stripes on my nails and in my outfit. Yeah. And I love my button-up shirt, so it was kind of nice to get a new button-up shirt. So feeling it with the makeup to the outfit. I think Halls approves. So there we go. Outfit contained.